guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little tutorial. I know there's a bunch of tutorials for a library pocket, but today's is specifically for the 12 by 12 paper pads. Always come with these cut aparts or a cut apart sheet, and you got to cut it apart. And I can't even tell you how many times I've used a sheet like that. I say I'm going to use it like for ephemera and layering, and I never do. So I cut up the new Maggie Holmes Garden Party. Has a cute page of very like vintage looking little cut aparts. Super cute, and I think like the perfect style for a library pocket. I mean, you can use any type of ephemera or whatever, but because these are all like neutral muted colors, I'm going to use a light piece of paper, light pink piece of paper. Sorry guys, when I'm crafting, if I start cleaning, I get sidetracked and then I get out of the mood of wanting to craft. Does that make sense? So it's Hot Mess Express up in here. So you are going to need a 3 3/4 inches wide piece of paper by 7 inches wide. On the short side, your 3 3/4 inches, you are going to score at 1/4 of an inch and 3 1/2 inches. Then you're going to rotate this and you're going to score at 2 1/4. Like so. And you can put your scoreboard away now. So as you can see, you have your smaller rectangle right here and your bigger one. You're going to cut the upper tall rectangles on the side. You're just going to cut those out. Like so. One side, I'm going to do the same thing. Like that, and you still have your little score marks. Now you can fold and crease those if you like. And for this step, I'm going to stitch my front little panel that's going to fold over. So I'll do that real quick. Okay, so for this, you guys can easily use pattern paper as well. Just pay attention to the orientation of the patterns on your paper. I'm just using a solid piece, so you can't see all that. So now I'm just going to glue down these two little flaps like so. Some wet glue because the hot glue, it was just drying too fast. So I'm just going to glue those down. Okay, so just like that, and you can, you know, crease it and see that you could get your pocket in there. And then for the edges, I'm just going to use my Crocodile corner chomper. You can use any type of corner chomper. Like so, make it like the vintage library pockets. And then this next step, totally, you know, up to you, your style. I'm going to use the Tim Holtz paper distresser, and I'm just going to roughen up the edges. Probably should have did this panel right here first, but I'm just going to cut it and go through it. Okay, so I roughed it up a little bit. I'm going to leave the sides and the bottom okay, but just this to give it a little bit of, you know, texture and dimension, since I am using a solid piece of paper. And just real quick, look how cute these little, check yes or no, that's huge. Which little library pocket I want to use. Probably this guy, he's cute. Just pinch it and put it in. So you can see size-wise. A little bit of the pocket in the back peeping out. And then this, I'm going to use my We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm going to hole punch it. This is just going to add a little bit of fun, because I'm not going to embellish these. I'm going to gift them as blank, not blank, but a little bit, so that they could use it for any type of collection. Use some eyelets. Just set it like that. And then jump rings, you need to use a big enough one so that it can go around that and the edge of the paper. I'm going to use these paper tassels. I'm obsessed with these. These are the Cute Girl. I remember I stocked up when they were like going. Cute Girl on. And then these little flower like tassels, those are from AliExpress, and I'm just going to add one on there because it doesn't lay flat, so it just makes it a little bit cuter. Like so. Close it shut. how cute it's looking. And then the last thing I'm going to do using this die, this is from AliExpress. It's that lace border die. Oh, you guys, it is so cute. You're gonna need about 3 of the swoops. Does that even make sense? Like so, off the edge. And I save those scraps. And look how cute. You have a super simple, easy embellishment. You're using your 12x12s. Another cute thing to do is to staple these. I'm just gonna do 2 little staples on the edge. I should do it over here. Look how cute. I need some gold staples. I tried marker before and it was like crackling and looking like crap. So look how cute. Cute, super simple. They can use it for any theme and embellishment. And then I did embellish one so that you guys can kind of see. So here's this one. This staple was already like printed on there. And then I just used some of the ephemera, the sticker, and the chipboard pieces. Love this. And then you can use this to even like decorate a bag, a box, anything like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a bunch of these and they can decorate how they like. All right, bye guys. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.